In the question number 8, we need to complete the table with the given row and column. So here, so what's the pattern? So we need to 6 plus 6, 6 plus 4, 6 plus minus 4. So we need to do this thing. So here, so I think this one is very simple. 6 plus 6, 12. 6 plus 4, 10. But here, so when we do 6 plus minus 4, so here I can write it here 6 plus minus 4. So plus minus minus. So 6 minus 4. So we can say 2 is your answer. So next time you can do directly. Plus minus minus. So we need to subtract these two number and we need to check which one is greater. So here 6 one is always greater. So next time, okay, 6 plus minus minus. So 6 minus 1, 5. Here 6 is greater. 6 plus minus minus. So 6 minus 3, 3. Okay. 4 plus 6, 10. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus minus minus. So 4 minus 4, 0. 4 plus minus minus. So 4 minus 1, 3. Here 4 is also greater than from these numbers. So 4 plus minus minus. So 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, negative number is there. Minus 4. So let me do it here. Minus 4 plus 6. Minus 4 plus 6. So we will get 2. Plus minus minus. So 6 minus 4, 2. And here minus 4 plus 4. So we will get minus 4 plus 4. So we will get 0. Minus 4 plus minus minus. So we can say minus 4 minus 4. Minus minus plus. So we can say minus 8 is our answer. Again, minus 4 plus minus minus. So we can say minus 4 minus 1. Same for this one. Minus 4 minus 3. So minus minus plus 5. 4 plus 3, 7. Here you need to be very careful when numbers are different. Okay, minus 1 plus 6. Okay, let me write this thing, then we can do it. Minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 plus minus minus. So we can say minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3. Okay, in the last one, do it this thing. Minus 3 plus 6. Minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 3. So here I just write down first always minus 3, then I just copy paste these numbers because this will always comes same. Plus minus minus. So 5. 6 is greater, so positive. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus minus plus 4 plus 1, 5. Negative 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Negative 2. 3 plus 1, 4. Negative 4. 6 minus 3, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Because positive is here greater. Minus minus plus, so negative 7. 3 plus 1, 4. Negative 4. Minus 3 minus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Negative 6. So here first you need to write this thing. After that you will be able to solve it here. And here I just skip this step because plus minus becomes always minus. So here always minus will be there. So in the question number 9, so we need to subtract a 3-digit greatest number from the inverse of the 8196. So first we need to write the given values. Greatest 3-digit number. So that is 999. 9. Okay, next one is the inverse of 8196. So that is, so inverse means we need to change the symbol. So this is positive, so we need to take negative. So here now again question according to the question. Subtract greatest 3-digit number. So we need to subtract greatest 3-digit number. So 999 from by which number? Inverse. So inverse of this number is minus 8196. So here we need to solve this thing. So minus minus plus, but your answer is negative. So 9 plus 6, 15. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Again carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Again carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. So this one is our answer. So first we write the greatest 3-digit number. Then we find the inverse. Now question says subtract greatest 3-digit from inverse. So we need to subtract greatest 3-digit number from the inverse of 8196. So we will get this number. So in question number 10, subtract the sum of these two numbers from the sum of these two numbers. So here, mark my words, when the subtraction and from is there, so you can say we need to subtract this number from this number, or we can say the last will come first and the first will come on the last. So first we need to find the sum. So here, sum of minus 12 and 36. So we can say minus 12 plus 36. Sum means we need to add. So plus minus minus. So okay. So 36 minus 12. So we will get 24. And here 36 is greater. So we can say 24. So when we simplify this one, we will get 24. Okay. This is the A part and the second B part. Now we need to find the sum of this number. So we can say sum of minus 6 and minus 22. So minus 6 then plus sum of minus 22. So minus 6 plus minus minus. So here we can say minus minus plus, but our answer is negative. 6 plus 2, 8. So we can say 28. So now we need question says subtract this from this. So we can say in Hindi हमें इसको subtract करना है इसमें से. So we can say according to the question, or what question says B minus A. So now put what is the value of B part? Minus 28, then negative. So what is the value of this one? 24. Minus minus plus, but your answer is negative. A plus 4, 12. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 52. So 52 is your answer. So first we need to find the sum of this expression, then this expression, then we will get two numbers, and now we need to subtract this from this. So last will come on the first and the first will come on the last. Minus minus plus. So 28 plus 24, 52, and 28 is greater. So we can say minus 52 is our answer.